Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about types of washing techniques in the apparel industry. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. Types of washing techniques: dry processes and wet processes. Garment wash. Indigo jeans were once the only item processed by the garment wash method, but this is no longer the case. A wide variety of different types of woven and knitted fabrics dyed by different systems are now used in apparel, that is garment washed before retail distribution. Emphasis is on comfort and softness. Also, some fashion trends favor the broken in look and worn or faded seams that can only be achieved through garment processing. Dry processes. Whiskers. To design whiskers, garment is scrubbed carefully with sandpaper over engraved pattern lines. Generally, pattern of rubber sheet is engraved by blade to make whisker design. Then garment is placed on sheet and scraped on specific area to draw whisker impression on garment. Sandblasting. Aluminum oxide, which looks like sand, is applied on fabric to make abraded look. Sands are blown to garments with air gun pressure to rub out the color. It's now losing its popularity due to unhygienic method. Wrinkle. In this process, wrinkle making chemical is applied on garments where wrinkle has to be made, then crease or folds are created technically. Afterwards, garment is dried and cured at high temperature for few minutes. Dry processes. Grinding or destroy. Destroy and grinding are done on jeans items by different types of stone tools. Grinding is mostly done on various edges of a ready-made garment, while destroy can be overall. Cuts. It's created on ready-made garments with sharp blades or knives. The cuts always should be horizontal to the garments. If you cut vertically, then after wash, you will get a bigger hole you don't desire. Hand scraping. Emery paper is used to scrape the garment for getting distressed look. 220, 320, 400 number emery papers are widely used in apparel industry. Special dry processes. Spray techniques: PP spray and PP sponging. Potassium permanganate is sprayed on jeans to take a bright effect on sandblast area. The sprayed area appears pink on garment when fresh and turns to muddy brown on drying. The garment is hanged in open to dry after PP spray, and when the potassium permanganate turns its color completely, then it is considered to ready for next process. Tagging, broken and tagging, etc. Tagging, or more commonly tag pinning, is very much in fashion in denim garments. In this process, the effect is created by swift tag machine with the help of plastic or nylon tag pins in rig form of garment to get contrast effect. Wet processes. Normal wash. This wash is very common in apparel industry. It is needed to avoid unexpected shrinkage and to remove dust, dirt, harmful elements from garments. It's also called rinse wash, detergent wash, garments wash, etc. Pigment wash. It is done by pigment on pigment dyed or printed garments to bring faded effects. Caustic wash. Generally, this wash is done on printed, sulfur dyed, reactive or direct dyed garments. Caustic wash is used to remove the size materials and starch from the garments. It increases hairiness, color fastness, and rubbing fastness. Silicone wash. This wash can be applied on all types of fabrics to produce softness, durability, tear resistance, anti-pilling effects, and dimension stability of fabric. Bleach wash. This wash refers to light blue shades of denim. It is done by bleaching agents to make garments more fashionable and attractive to buyers. Wet processes. Stone wash. Pumice stone is used during wash to give garments worn-in or worn-out effects. Acid wash. Acid wash is a chemical process which usually strips off the top layer of color from the garments and leaving the white yarns exposed. Enzyme wash. In this wash, natural origins of enzyme are used to remove hard feeling, naps, hairiness and peeling of fabrics. Enzyme plus stone wash. It is done by using pumice stone and enzyme. There are three types of stone enzyme wash. These are normal stone enzyme wash, medium stone enzyme wash and heavy stone enzyme wash. Super white wash. It is applied on cotton grey fabrics to make garments extremely white and soft feeling. Bleach stone wash. It is treated to give garments a vintage aged appearance. Modern concept of garment washing. Foam or artificial stone wash. To overcome the shortcoming of pumice stones, synthetic stones have been developed. These are made of abrasive material such as silicate, plastic, rubber or Portland cement. The advantage of using such type of product are all major problems associated with the use of volcanic grade pumice stone can be overcome. Durability of such product is much higher and can be used repeatedly from 50 to 300 cycle depending upon type of synthetic stone. Reproducibility of washing is manageable. Less damage of machine and garments. As stone discharge is very less, therefore it is economical and ecological. Ozone fading. The advantages associated with this process are by this technique the garment can be bleached with or without using water. Denim garments can also be bleached or faded by using ozone gas in closed chamber. Indigo dye stuff tends to fade. Color removal is possible without losing strength, very simple and environmentally friendly because after laundering, ozonized water can easily be deozonized by UV radiation. It is a computer controlled process for denim fading. This technique enables patterns to be created such as lines and dots, images, text or even pictures. Also called spray painting in denims. The frequency of the laser is set to erode the indigo surface in order to either alter the color or burn through the cloth. Laser techniques. Laser treatments are used exclusively in the upper end of the denim and are considered a more environmentally acceptable process than the traditional methods of finishing. Advantages of laser technology. It is water-free fading of denim. It is an ecological and economical process, less time consuming and higher production, less floor space consuming, consistency of production is very high. It can create local abrasion and fabric breaks, used look effect moustache with excellent reproducibility and higher productivity. Being an automatic system, chances of human error are slim. The design is electronically translated on the fabric. The machine is very simple and compact, therefore requires very low maintenance and cleaning, extremely safe and reliable. Purpose of garment wash. To remove dirt, dust and waste material from garments, to remove size materials from garments. For garment wash, shrinkage occurs, so accurate measurement can be found by customers. Fading effect is varied here by variation of an amount of detergent used, processing time and processing temperature. To increase the brightness of garments, to increase the smoothness of garments, to change the appearance of garments, to make directly wearable after purchase, to make garments become soft and handy, to remove harmful materials from garments. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.